Packing a lunch box that actually comes back empty is a win. Hi friends. Welcome to Hot and Sweet. Today we are making Sui ki sabji. You can't ignore the aroma of sui ki sabji. Let's look at the ingredients. Sui, dill leaves 1 large bunch, finely chopped. Chana dal, a half cup, give it a little steam. Garlic, 8 to 10 cloves, crushed or finely chopped. Green chilies, 3 to 4, chopped. Onion, 1 medium, finely chopped. Salt and oil. Heat oil in a pan. Add the garlic and green chilies. Sauté until the garlic turns golden brown and smells amazing. Add the onions and sauté until they become translucent. You don't need to brown them completely, just take the raw edge off. Add salt. Add the parboiled chana dal to the pan. Stir-fry the dal for 2 to 3 minutes, so it coats well with the oil and spices. Add the finely chopped sui leaves. At first, it will look like a huge mountain of greens, but don't worry, it shrinks significantly within a minute. Mix everything thoroughly. Cover with a lid and cook on low heat for 5 to 7 minutes. The steam from the leaves will finish cooking the dal. This sabji is best enjoyed with hot jowar bhakri or simple wheat rotis. Follow for more easy recipes.